If you're trying to create a client intake form in under 10 minutes, this quick 3-minute tutorial is going to save you a ton of time and headaches. I've tested the most popular form builders out there. Some are bloated, some are overcomplicated, but in this video, I'll show you exactly how to set one up fast, clean, and with zero fluff. And if you stick with me till the end, I've got an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using just for viewers of this channel. So let's jump in. Once you click the link in the description to start your free trial, the first step is to open up the dashboard. Click Create a New Form. You'll be prompted to name your form. Go ahead and call it something like Client Intake Form, your business name, so you can easily find it later. Next, start adding your fields. Begin with name, email, and phone number. These are your basic contact details. Then include a "How did you hear about us?" drop down. This helps you track what's working in your marketing. Follow that with an open text field titled "What service are you interested in?" or "Describe your needs." This gives you pre-call context. Now, here's a time-saving tip. Use conditional logic if your software allows it. That means if someone selects consulting from a drop-down, they'll only see the questions relevant to that service. This keeps your form short and smart. You can also enable required fields for anything that's essential. It ensures your leads don't skip critical info. Then add a confirmation message like, "Thanks, we'll get back to you within 24 hours. Keeps things professional. Next, hit Settings. Make sure email notifications are turned on, both for you and your client. You can even set up autoresponders, so clients get an instant "We've received your submission" email. It builds trust. Finally, click Share, and you'll get a link or embed code. You can now add it to your website, email signature, or even send it via text. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional client intake form in under 10 minutes, using software that keeps things simple, clean, and fast. Now, key takeaway. The faster and easier it is for your clients to give you their info, the more conversions you'll get. Don't overthink it. Start small, stay clear, and improve over time. Quick recap. We created the form, added key fields, set up smart logic, enabled notifications, and made it easy to share. That's everything you need to streamline your client intake process. If you want to follow along or build your form right now, make sure to grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel. Thanks for watching. Now go build that form.